Right folks, welcome back. As you can see, a bit of progress today. You notice I had the wings on and off and on and off. So the reason behind that was, being a complete bell end that I am, I'd actually put the wrong inner wing onto the near side. So I'd put the offside inner wing onto the near side wing, and that's why it had been so much of a bastard to try and fit. And even though I'd managed to talk it into a position, I then realised the error of my ways when I went to fit the one on the driver's side. So stripped it back off again, started again, changed them over and put them on properly. So both wings on, buttoned up, happy days. Other problem today, the cheap and cheerful rivet gun I had topped itself. As you can see, I've got one that's a bit too high, so that'll have to get drilled out, but it's completely knackered, so half the body armour on the one side is still there. But starting to put its face together just because I wanted to do a bit. So put the one of the headlight surrounds on and the indicator and side light on, so happy days. They look quite smart, so pleased with them. The front grille, the holes have had a piece of plate bonded onto the back of them, and that's gone back to the painters, so that'll get redone. So I'll have that to fettle next time I'm up. I started to fit the rubbers on the flaps here, the ventilation flaps. So they're aftermarket ones. Now I bought two different sets. I bought a rubberized one, which was far too thick, and then I bought a self-adhesive foam one, and they're also too thick. So the reason that they're sat up is they'll end up springing the brackets if I try and force them in. So the next time I'm up, I'll trim them down and and we'll go again. But yeah, another job to add to the list. The only other thing I've done today is the rear tub has been completely bolted in, apart from this end, because I didn't get enough of the brackets. I thought I had, and I hadn't. So 2 steps forwards, 1 step back, but you know, still progress is progress. But I'm really pleased with how it's starting to look. So the next time I'm up, I should have the front grille to go on, the arches front and rear, and hopefully the side panels. But I'm not holding my breath, so it might just be the front grille and co, and with a bit of look of bonnet as well. That wouldn't be too bad a thing. Get its face on properly. So yeah, hope you like it. I'm over the moon. Appreciate the comments on the last video, and feel free to ask any questions, whatever you like. I genuinely don't mind answering. It's a hobby for me. So all the best. Hopefully I'll see you again in a week or so, and yeah, see you soon. Ta-ra.